I ordered some slime from peachybbie. It's my first time ordering from them. Got this, some stickers. I got the Sunset Frost. They look so cute. It's my first time ordering. This is what it looks like. It came with this cloud slime, this cloud charm, and this sun charm. It's really cute. I'm taking the charms out. It feels so nice. And did you see the sparkles? They're so cute. And I'm playing with this slime. I haven't checked out my other slime yet because I just saw this one. And I'm playing with this one because it is so nice. Oh, also, it came with this. It says, slime is the mood. And I'm just loving it. Just so cool. And yeah, it's really cool. It literally feels like a cloud, dude. You don't even know how it feels. It doesn't even feel like normal slime. Oh yeah, this thing came in. So aesthetic. So aesthetic. Okay, this is the cutest slime ever. Yay. So it turned this color once I mixed the colors together. Such a good slime. Gonna put it back in, put the charms back on, and close it up. Check out my next slime. I seen this slime because I opened it up to check on it and stuff. It literally just delivered to me. But anyways, so I'm getting my other slime. I did not check this. Bubbly Bath Crunch. This looks so cool. Pretty nice. That is so dude, this is nice. I'm taking this out. Like, oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh yeah, the charm. The charm is a little ducky. Rubber ducky. Yeah. It looks so cool. It's like glittery and stuff. How do I explain it? It's sick, man. Why did I say that? It's sick, man. Okay. So the slime is obsessible. So nice. And that's all I got, I think. I didn't check the whole box yet. So, yeah. It's a little sticky, but it's okay. Oh, wait. I gotta move this cap. It's nice. This is so nice, dude. But there's a spray for sticky ones. So, gotta use the spray. It came in here. It's like this. Really cool. I ordered this slime a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, but I'm just happy it came. So, it says sticky slime. No worries, that sticky pen, fixed pen, is in your order. Can help add to the fixing liquid one spray at a time, mixing between each spray until the slime is no longer sticky. Okay. Open it up. Is it a pen, dude? The heck? How do you... Oh. I don't think it's doing anything. It's still sticky. Oh. Oh, it's working. Okay. Oh! Okay. Still a little sticky, but mixy, mix. Ow. Finger. Yo, it's not sticky. It's not sticky. Well, it's not too sticky, but still though, it's sick. Wow. I love Peachy Babies. You should definitely check out their channel. You should definitely subscribe to their channel and get a sign. It's really nice. Really nice. And if you don't know what Peachy Babies is, just look. It says Peachy Babies. And that's how you type on it. See you. Thank you for watching my video. Yeah, that's it. So, thank you for watching my video. Have a good time. Have a good life, okay? I'll make another shorts later.